It's done. It's done. Drugs. It's done. So I was cruising Maker World and I seen these containers. And we always need some place to put our biohazard, you know, our nuclear material, and our poisons. And I thought, that what better to do that with than these containers right there? So we had to finish off the set. We got drugs, and not drugs. Of course, some poison to go with your drugs, in case you have any bio problems, you know. And then, of course, the old radiation there. Here's the radioactive waste barrel with a screw-up top container. And you can find the other models if you just scroll down. Here's our biohazard, and then here's our poison. And they even got one with fire. So maybe napalm? And of course, this guy over here, drugs.